Lori, I'm going to position this at you. I was really excited about having the opportunity to create this content with Wayne today because of bringing his experience to the Brilliance team and to our clients and how we're going to make this of value to them in the future as well. What would you say to someone who's considering a business management system replatform or ERP replatform as to why they should work with us instead of another provider?
Yeah, it's a great question. And what I am really excited about for us in terms of the value that we can offer to organizations is that I think we have a really unique expertise that we can share because organizations, industrial suppliers, mid-market manufacturers and distributors that are looking to leverage digital technology need to have their business systems in a good place so that they can enable their digital experiences to offer that seamless buying experience to their customers and really enable customers to interact with them that enables them to compete more effectively in the market. And Brilliance, we have 25 years of experience in doing exactly that and helping organizations who may have not previously been leveraging their website or selling online in helping them to do that. And now with Wayne's expertise on our team and his depth of experience in this space, to me, now we offer kind of a full circle level of the expertise that can really help organizations ensure they have their back office in the place they need it to be to enable their operations to be efficient and effective and get the reporting they need, and also have their data in a way that we can be exposing that to their customers and enabling them to more easily interact with them. So really excited about the opportunities that we have to be providing better advice and helping our customers to make the most effective decisions possible.